let's go ahead and go into our tip of the week. We're going to talk about placing skylights in a built-up roof. Okay, the key word to this tip of the week is skylights in a built-up roof. Very similar. The skylights work in the same way that a window would work. You cannot place a window in anything except for a wall. Same with skylights. You cannot place a skylight in anything except for a roof. So if we're using the slab tool, we are not going to be able to place a skylight in that. If we're using the mesh tool, we won't be able to place a skylight in that until we convert that mesh into a roofing system. So keep that in mind when you're choosing which way you're going to model your roof. So we would choose our composite for our roof. And if we are trying to achieve a flat roof, we have two different ways we can set the slope of that. We can set it for degrees or like a 0 and 12 type of thing, 1 and 12. So you would get that as flat as you can and use our single plane option for building the roof. We would go ahead and choose our pivot line. Not super important when we're building a flat roof, but it definitely needs to be there even if there is no slope. And we're going to draw out our roof outline. Once we have our roof placed, we are going to go into the skylight tool, okay? And we have a variety of different skylight options. You're going to select your skylight option that works best for you and adjust the settings very similar to how you would a window, keeping in mind that skylights are going to work in the same way as windows do. So once you have the settings set for your skylight, it's just a click and place, just like our windows and doors would be, onto your roof system.